This book costed me somewhere about 1000 rupees. This is an Apple charger. The adapter alone costed me about 2000. This is a wireless headband. Again, costed me somewhere around 2000 rupees. But then what if I tell you that Mukesh Ambani is coming up with a phone, a full-fledged phone that is going to cost you just 999 rupees. 999. That's it. Can you believe it? We cannot. But then this video is not about the price point. This video is about explaining you what you can get in just 999. So this is Jio Bharat K1 Carbon 4G, a newly launched phone by Jio that I feel is the most budget-friendly phone one could think of. Let's dive into this video and see what 999 can fetch you.
Jio Bharat phone price and availability. Today we are excited to share that the Jio Bharat K1 Carbon 4G phone is now available on Amazon for just Rs 999. This device is designed for users who are looking for a budget-friendly way to transition to the world of 4G connectivity. During Reliance Industries' recent AGM, Mukesh Ambani emphasized the need to assist over 250 million legacy network users in India in upgrading to 4G and embracing the digital age. Key features and specifications. The Jio Bharat K1 Carbon 4G is a basic yet efficient 4G phone that offers remarkable value for its price. Here's a quick rundown of its key features. Starting with the design, the Jio Bharat K1 Carbon 4G boasts a classic physical keypad, offering that familiar feel for traditional mobile users. The device features a compact 1.77-inch screen, making it easy to handle and navigate. One standout feature is a single non-SIM slot, which is exclusively for Jio SIM cards. This means that it's Jio-locked, ensuring you can only use a Jio SIM with this phone. If you're concerned about storage, worry not. The Jio Bharat K1 Carbon 4G comes with expandable memory support of up to 128 GB, giving you ample space for your data and media. In terms of battery life, it's equipped with a 1000 mAh battery, which should provide extended usage on a single charge. Additionally, it supports 4G bands, including band 3, 5 and 40, ensuring a fast and reliable 4G connection. The screen resolution is 720p, delivering a clear visual experience. Plus, you'll find a 3.5mm audio jack for connecting aux cables or wired earphones, making it versatile for your audio needs. While it's not a camera powerhouse, it offers a single rear camera with a 0.3 megapixel sensor. It supports 4G, ensuring crystal clear voice calls. For entertainment, you can access Jio Cinema and Jio Saavn, perfect for streaming content. There's also an FM radio app for music lovers. Additionally, JioPay is integrated, allowing seamless UPI-based payments. Don't forget there's a torch at the top for added convenience. The Jio Bharat K1 Carbon 4G is available in both red and blue color options, giving you a choice to match your style. Finally, it's worth noting that the device is part of the Jio Bharat platform, and in the future, other phone brands will also adopt this platform. Jio Bharat phone plans. If you're wondering about the recharge plans available for your device, we have sorted it out for you. First up, we have the Rs 123 plan. With this plan, you get a daily data allowance of 0.5 GB. The plan is valid for 28 days. Next, we have 1234 rupees plan. Here's what it offers: a daily data allowance of 0.5 GB, just like the Rs 123 plan. But here's the kicker: it comes with a whopping 365 days of validity. That's right, a whole year of connectivity. So there you have it, a detailed look at the Jio Bharat K1 Carbon 4G, a budget-friendly 4G phone designed to provide an affordable and accessible 4G experience. If you're looking for a straightforward device that integrates seamlessly with Jio services, this might be the right choice for you. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more tech insights.